Good morning, friends. Today I want to talk about the atoms. Different people and different scientists define the atoms in many different ways. As I know about the atom, it is the smallest particles of a substance. Or in other words, we can say that all the different kinds of substance, solid, liquid and gaseous, are made by composed of a smallest particle. That particles is called atom. As about the atoms, it may exist or not exist in free state. Atoms of same kind combine together to form the molecules, and atoms of different kinds also combine together to form the compounds. Human body is also made up of the atoms, or in other words we can say 99% of human body is also made up of the atom. That atoms are of different. These atoms are carbon, oxygen, nitrogen and hydrogen. For testing, when we burn the human body, these atoms come out from the human body and change into the gaseous state by getting the heat externally and mix into the air. These atoms with which the human body is formed are all in gaseous form: hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon. These exist around us in gaseous form, and carbon also exists in gaseous form as well as in solid forms like diamond and graphite. For the simplest way we can understand the atom is that if we divide any substance into two pieces and division goes on, then a point will come at where we cannot divide it further, and that particles, that form of that substance cannot be seen with our naked eye. This part is called atoms. Atoms, some atoms are more reactives. That's why it cannot exist in its native state. It combined with itself or combined with other kinds of atom, then exist in our surroundings. If you take the examples of substance like hydrogen, it is reactive. Nitrogen, it is also reactive. Oxygen, it is also reactive. So they combine with itself and exist in our surrounding as a form of diatomic form. It means molecule of one atom contain two atoms of that particles like H2, O2, N2, Cl2 and something like this. On the other hand, if you talk about the molecules, it is also the smallest particle, but it always remain in valence form, so it does not take part in chemical reactions. Only atom which either exist in free state or native state or in combined state take part in chemical reactions. Just after the chemical reaction, new substance is formed which are having the property of atoms, or the new properties, substance of new properties are formed. So the molecules, about the molecules, atom of same kind or atom of different kind combine together to form the compound. So the number of compound is unlimited, we cannot count it. And compound or molecules remain in free state because they are in balanced form. Atoms are further divided into subatomic particles. It means subatomic particles like proton, electron and neutron combine together to form the structure of atom. Atom itself is not visible, so its subatomic particles are also not visible. We cannot see either atoms or subatomic particles with our naked eye or even with a high power of digital microscope. So everything in this world are composed of the atoms, because everything is just a substance, and substance, a structure of substance is composed by combining the atoms. When atoms combine together to form the substance or form the molecules, it has the existence. It exists in our surroundings, and they have some mass, can also take some space. So it is said as a substance, which we define the substance. In chemistry, there are nearly 118 elements, and that elements or atom contain subatomic particles, proton, neutron and electron, and these atoms combine together to form a loads of different kinds of compounds. So molecules and atom both are the smallest particle. We cannot see them, but atom may or may not exist in free state, but molecules always exist in free state. If we take the example of water, its molecular formula is H2O. It means 2 parts of hydrogen and 1 part of oxygen combined together to form the substance like H2O. H2O means 1 molecule of water contain 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. Both oxygen and hydrogen both exist in our surrounding in gaseous state, but in formation of water at high pressure and low temperature, all the gaseous substances change into the liquid substance, and they begin to react with one another, and substance like H2O and some other substances also formed. I feel you will be able to understand about atoms and molecules, and in next video I shall give you the brief idea about atoms, molecules and compounds also, and different atoms, how the different atoms and at what measures combine together to form the molecules and substances. If you like this video, subscribe it by pushing the bell so that my next video will reach you first. Thank you.